Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. I apologize for the stuffy nose, but I'll just try to get through it without sounding too bad. But today's a little different. I entered in a contest on Instagram from Pangea Designs. It was pretty much a picture of a revolver, and it said name the make, the model, and what makes this revolver special. So after a while of guessing and finally getting it right, I guessed, I think it was a Smith & Wesson Hand Ejector Model 2, and what made it special was that it was a Indiana Jones clone knife to look like, I think, Raiders of the Lost Ark, the Smith & Wesson used in that movie. So I ended up winning, and the prize was a t-shirt and something titanium. So I didn't know what they were going to send me. It was a surprise. I looked at the products that they have, so I knew what the options were, and they just sent one at random. So I'll be able to open this now and show you what I got. First, we'll look at the t-shirt. So they asked my size and everything, and there's the t-shirt, Pangea Designs, a really cool trilobite looking fossil thing. Brown, I don't wear many brown shirts, so that'll be a nice shirt to add to the collection, and it's a company I'd like to support. And here is the titanium. I'll open this and get into this. I don't know what this is called. If I looked up their products beforehand and got the names, I would be able to know, but it is definitely titanium because it's light, but you can see little hexagon right there, probably just to attach the little split ring. And I believe this is titanium because they have this on their Kickstarter that I backed. And you can see probably a 1/4-inch hex hole right there, a bottle opener, maybe a couple more attach points, or just little lightning holes. And this pretty much is just going to slip over the belt loop and hang down like that with a key ring on the bottom and hold your keys. Very thin, about the size of a key, but probably even, yeah, definitely even lighter than a key. So that's really cool. Definitely check out Pangea Designs. They're a really cool company. They just had a Kickstarter. It actually got funded today. I think their goal was, what was their goal? Like $3,500 or maybe like $6,000 or something was their goal, and they ended up getting like $38,000 with like 330 some backers, including me. So the Prilobite is their main offering right now that is on their Kickstarter. The Kickstarter ended, but you can still sign up for a pre-order, I think. So the knives are getting made right now, and they're going to deliver in like July, I think. But it's a little, probably about that big, friction folder S35VN knife with a pry bar, a bottle opener, a key dangler like this, so you can key dangle your friction folder. And like I said, S35VN, so it's really good blade steel in a little tiny knife package. So I thought it was a really cool, really innovative design, so I pledged, and I'll be getting it in, I think, July. And this is also one of their offerings, so be sure to check them out. Check them out on Instagram. They might do more giveaways like this, I don't know, but check them out so you can see future ones if they do one. And that's about all I have. I might flame anodize some of this. You can flame anodize the tie split ring, so I might do that. But yeah, it was really cool of them just to send this along. So thanks again to them, and be sure to check them out. That's all I pretty much have, so make sure you like and subscribe. Check out some of the other videos in this channel. I'm about to film an actual knife review right now, so be sure to check that out when it comes out, and thanks for watching.